HDPE pipe. HDPE pipe crusher machine. Size reduction for plastic pipes. Various types of pipes and slats, including various plastic pipes, plastic and sheet slats, wood slats, paper tubes, etc. Due to its compact design, small footprint, and low cost, this granulator is a very good choice for small-scale pipe recycling facilities, and also manufacturing plants that regularly generates considerable volume of scrap pipes or other long scrap items. Without pre-cutting, this granulator can directly crush long items into small particles. With heavy-duty knives in either a double scissor cut or V-shape array based on your requirements,